Every man should know that finding a good job requires a good education. Therefore, dropping out of high school is not an option, because finishing high school is only the beginning. After you graduate high school, you need to enroll in a technical training program, community college, or university. The training you receive will help you develop special skills and acquire the depth of knowledge you need to find a job that pays well and offers employee benefits. If you have already dropped out of high school, enroll in a GED program and get your general equivalency diploma. Don't procrastinate, do it now. After passing the GED exam, take steps to get additional training to make you a competitive job applicant. You can also learn from what I call eagles, men who have accomplished things you aspire to achieve. Inspiring stories have been told and retold about people who have achieved phenomenal success, even though they had little formal education. Yet, many of them became legends by optimizing every learning opportunity. Eagles read books, attend lectures, observe others, and listen to mentors who challenge and inspire them. Therefore, commit yourself to lifelong learning to improve your chances of personal success. You can begin by attending lectures, enrolling in a personal development course, or registering for an online class. If these options are not financially feasible, find a mentor who can teach you and commit yourself to a self-directed reading program. Try to set aside at least 30 minutes a day to read newsletters, periodicals, professional journals, and nonfiction books. If you read how-to books and visit online websites, you can learn how to make simple repairs on your automobile, upgrade your personal computer, install a ceiling fan, or do other money-saving home projects. If you read books about business, you can learn important business tips that may help you excel in your current job or introduce you to new skills that may inspire you to start your own business. If you read biographies of great men, you will be exposed to stories about their acts of heroism, resourcefulness, and creativity. Hidden in these stories, you will find inspiration and courage to succeed when the odds are stacked against you. Reading newsletters and periodicals will expose you to current events that have local, national, and international implications. Reading professional journals will help you learn about trends and discoveries that may impact your career. So make reading a priority in your lifelong learning goals. Reading will expand your thinking and help you grow intellectually, spiritually, and professionally. If you desire more career advancement opportunities, you can increase your value to an employer through professional development and continuing education. In other words, keep learning. Take classes, pursue new certifications, or earn a degree that will enhance the skills you already have. You should also attempt to learn everything you possibly can about your employer's operations, its products, and even its competitors. The new knowledge you acquire will increase your value as an employee. Your knowledge may also become a powerful hedge against layoffs and downsizing. But even if you are downsized, your knowledge could become a marketable advantage when you seek employment with another organization that could use your experience and expertise. Always remember, new information can trigger new opportunities. This personal development tip is an excerpt from the book Manhood Challenge by Dr. David Stevens.